Hi everyone. Everybody that goes out to Jackson's Crossroads is hunting for amethyst. I know I certainly was. They do have Drusy Quartz out there, but I wasn't sure about the quality. As you're about to see, they can be pretty cool and some are keepers, so be on the lookout. During my 2-day dig out there, I came across 3 other mineral specimens that you may want to be on the lookout for. The first is yellow calcite. So this guy I found surface collecting. Decided to break him up, looking for amethyst, of course, and found out later that there's actually calcite here. So that was a surprise. You see that yellow band of filled-in crystal in this space, this vug right here, and so definitely yellow calcite, super cool. And there's a little piece right there. I was actually lucky enough to see 2 other awesome finds by other miners, and they broke these other rocks open, and they have huge cubic forms and also points called dogtooth. So check that out, that's amazing. Here's one. This guy cracked open a big boulder and broke it down until it exposed more crystal. A super fine. This next one is even more spectacular. You can see him actually break it out. His channel is Nugget Noggin. Go check him out. He split this boulder and it opened up into a nice huge vug inside. There were yellow calcite cubes, and I even saw dogtooth calcite, as well as some nice amethyst. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. Here are the 2 large pieces of pink feldspar that I picked up. This one's pretty nice because it has a distinct band of pink right there going through this manganese. And then this is just a huge giant slab right there. There's also yet another mineral, mica. You'll see white flakes right there. That's the muscovite variety. So it's kind of just spotted throughout the feldspar. There's some more there, and even here. I'm not sure if you can see it in the light. So we have mica inside the feldspar. These are pretty cool. I'm a specimen collector, and so finding pieces like this is just more fun than you can imagine. This is the manganese dendrite, and manganese is an iron oxide coating. It's very common on quartz. You'll find it all over in a mine called Diamond Hill in South Carolina. But here the manganese oxide is weathering in the feldspar, the quartz, and the clay all over there. The dendritic crystal form will typically show up as a tree-like pattern, and you'll see an example right there. There's some, and it does look a bit like that too here, and then also has a snowflake pattern, which you can see over here. Man, how cool is that? I picked up a few pieces, and wow, what luck. This is also, actually I found some, this one has some calcite on. There's some cubic calcite crystals, yellow, as well as some little bits of quartz. So this is like 3-in-1. What luck. Super cool. Keep your eyes open. What is Druzy Quartz? Druzy is a term that applies to the growth of small crystals on top of another stone. In this case, the superheated water just fills in these gaps in the larger rocks, and then over time the water evaporates, leaving the mineral to grow. So you'll see small needle-like crystals, in this case quartz, in this site. And if you get enough of them on a plate like this, they can be really pretty and a keeper. Here's another one with a lot of crevices. There's a little baby guy. If you see Druzy all over a rock out in Jackson's Crossroads, it's also a good sign you might want to break it open. If luck's with you, you're going to find some amethyst inside there. Check out these 2. So when you're out there at Jackson's Crossroads, keep your eyes open for these other minerals. As you can see, they're pretty cool. They're all special in their own way. Nice pieces. Add them to your collection. Thanks for watching Crystal Miner Rocks.